Thank you for choosing a notch pattern. In this video, you'll learn how to perfectly set in your zip to the Rosalind Make Up Bag and Wash Bag. Place your zip with the zip pull facing down on the right side of your bag front. Centre the zip along the top edge and pin it in place. As you do this, keep adjusting it to make sure that the zip tape is perfectly aligned with the top of the bag. You may also find it useful to open the zip pull about halfway down. Using a zip foot on your machine, stitch from one end of the zip tab to the other, keeping an even distance all the way along the zip. When you get to the zip pull, stop stitching, leave the needle down and lift the presser foot so that you can get the zip pull out of the way. Then lower the presser foot and continue on to the end. Once the zip is stitched into both sides of the bag, open it up and using a regular sewing machine foot, stitch along the edges of the zip about ½ centimetre away from the edge. Make sure that you only stitch from the end of the tab to the end of the tab. Do not backstitch either. Try and keep long threads so that you can pull these through to the back of the fabric and knot them. This will give you a much better finish in the seam.